Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. Somnath Chakur. Visit my YouTube channel and develop writing skills with simple and easy way. My dear friends, in the previous video, we have discussed about the topics and format of informal letter. And now, we are going to learn how to write informal letter with different topics. Actually, we are going to focus on how to write first and third para as per given topics. That's why I tried to develop these paras with common sentences. If you memorize those sentences, you can easily note down any type of informal letter. I have taken 6 different topics to make it simple. So come and let's see from first slide. What is given in the first slide? There is a topic about permission. If you want to ask permission, how can you develop first para with simple and impressive sentences? We can easily develop first para with the simple sentences like as how excited I am. It is a golden opportunity to all our school children. Our school has arranged a dash. What can we write in the space? We can write here what is mentioned in the advertisement or leaflet, event or trip. I am glad to write this letter asking for your permission to join the dash. We can write here once again to trip or event. In the second para, how to develop second para? It is so simple. Write 6 to 7 sentences with the help of given advertisement or leaflet. In the advertisement or leaflet, there are already given clues or topics and points. We have to develop second para with the clues or points and note down 6 to 7 sentences. Then third para. We can easily note down third para with the simple and common sentences. Which are they? Let's see. I hope that you will give the permission and send the amount dash as early as possible. What should we have to note down in the space? We can note down amount in the space. I am eagerly awaiting for your reply. Convey my regards to and love to little Bunty. What can we note down in the space? If we write a letter to father, we can note down convey my regards to mother. If we write to letter to mother, we can note down convey my regards to father. And end with complimentary clause. Yours lovingly. Then note down sender's name and sign. All my dear ones, how can we easily develop first and last para with the common sentences? We can easily develop and frame the sentences with the help of given words and clues. That's why. Please try to memorize these sentences and note down with the help of clues. Now we are going to move towards second slide. What is in the second slide? There is another topic. If you want to write an appealing letter about festival celebration, how can we easily note down with appropriate sentences? We can easily develop first para like this. In advance, I wish you a happy dash. What can we write here? Which festival is mentioned in the advertisement? Note down here. Then, exclamatory sentence like this: how cheerful day it is. I hope that you must have read the advertisement in today's Times of India. There was an advertisement in the Times of India stating that dash. We have to note down what is stated in the advertisement. Note down here. They advised people. What advice has been given in the advertisement? Note down in the space. And in the second para, write 6 to 7 sentences with the help of given advertisement. There are already given clues in the advertisement. We have to frame 6 to 7 sentences with the help of given clues. And in the last para, with common sentences. I hope that you will keep the promise and do the needful as well as make this an enjoyable. What can we write in the space? We can note down which festival is mentioned in the advertisement. Then convey my regards to and love to little Bunty. Convey my regards to your parents, uncle or aunt, and end with complimentary clause. Yours lovingly. Then note down sender's name and sign. Now we are going to move towards third slide. What is in the third slide? There is another topic. If you are an eyewitness of the happening incident, how can we write letter with effective sentences? We can start with the sentences like as, what an incredible act it was. I was the eyewitness to an incredible act of bravery in our town or village. You may have read about it in the newspaper, but I must tell you what I saw in my own words. All the words and clues has been given in the news snippet, and we have to select the words and develop the sentences. It is an easy technique. And in the second para, note down 6 to 7 sentences with the help of given news snippet. Select clues and try to frame the sentences. And you can complete second para. In the third para, we can write with common sentences like as, I hope that he is rewarded for his grand act of courage. I have written name of Sanket, and you have to note down which name has been given in the news snippet. He deserves a special award for bravery. I am sure that local authorities recommend his name for special reward. Convey my regards to. And complimentary clause. Yours lovingly, and then note down sender's name. Move towards next slide. In the next slide, there is another topic. Request letter about to visit a special event or place. What should we have to note down? In the first para. In the first para, we can start with exclamatory sentences like as how excited I am. I read a leaflet about. What is given in the leaflet? Note down about a special event which aroused my curiosity. Join to the sentence. It gives information about. What information gives? And information is given about? Note down here that I knew nothing about until yesterday. I enclose the leaflet with this letter. I wish to visit dash and request you to come along with me. Where you want to visit? Note down in the space. And in the second para, as usual, note down 6 to 7 sentences with the help of given leaflet and develop the para. And in the third para, with the common sentences like as I hope that you will agree and join with us as well as do the needful. Do let me know when we can meet to discuss this matter and finalize the visit. Convey my regards to your parents and love to little Bunty. Then complimentary clothes with yours lovingly. Note down sender's name and sign. And complete the letter. Then we are going to move towards next slide. It is fifth slide and the topic is given here. If you celebrated a grand event, how to write a letter with the help of a poster. How can we start this letter with effective and impressive sentences like as what a grand event it was. Really, I am very excited to tell you how we all celebrated. Note down what you celebrated as a grand event. Note down in the space and make it a great success. It was celebrated from. Note down mentioned date. And in the second para, develop with 6 to 7 sentences with the help of given poster. And in the last para, with common sentences like as I hope that you will think about this good deed and do the needful. Convey my regards to and love to little Bunty. And with complimentary close, yours lovingly, and note down sender's name and sign. Once again, we are going to move towards sixth slide. In this slide, the topic is given. If you come across a snippet about problems, how to write a letter to your pen pal friend? It is so easy and very complimentary letter. We can easily note down with the simple and impressive sentences like as thank you so much for your. You can note down here. You can thank you for special deeds. It was so nice of you to share your thoughts with me about the problems faced by. Which problems he has to face, note down here. As promised, I will tell you briefly some of the problems faced by. Which problems you have to face, note down here, and what can do for the betterment. These all the sentences are very common and simple sentences. Please try to memorize structure of sentences. Then you can easily note down with the help of clues and given words. In the second para, as usual, write down 6 to 7 sentences with the help of given snippet. And in the last, with common sentences, like as I hope that you will try to do the best as a child. I know that you would like to see my country as one of the greatest nations on the earth. Do write me soon. Convey my regards to your parents. And love to little sweetie. End with complimentary clause like as yours lovingly, and note down sender's name and sign. All my dear pupils, you can easily note down complete letter if you memorize these common sentences with the simple structure. You can easily get success and get good marks and score in your exam. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला हे सर्व सेंटेन्सेस कॉमन सेंटेन्सेस दिलेले आहेत. या सर्व कॉमन सेंटेन्सेसच्या मदतीने तुम्ही तुमचे लेटर अतिशय उत्कृष्टपणे लिहू शकता. फक्त तुम्हाला थोड्याशा प्रयत्नांची गरज आहे. प्रॅक्टिस करा. प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. If you have to practice, you can write letter with easy way. That's why I am going to tell you once again. Please try to memorize these common sentences and note down the letter with easy way. Once again, I request you all to visit my channel and get good marks with little bit efforts. I am sure that you will try your best and score in the exam. My dear ones, thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon if you like my video. Thank you once again.